Finding a home with over 3,000 square feet, that's one thing. But finding one at the end of a peaceful cul-de-sac with no side neighbor, now that's a massive win. Pristine artificial turf, custom pavers, the curb appeal here sets the standard before you even turn the key. Inside, this 5-bedroom layout is crafted for effortless connection and everyday flow. Durable LVP flooring carries you right into this true great room. If you love to host, this is an absolute dream setup. The living, dining, and kitchen areas all blend into one massive, cohesive space, so you never miss a moment with the family or your guests. This beautiful kitchen just anchors this entire living space. You have these gorgeous quartz countertops that flow seamlessly into this warm and inviting dining room with tons of natural light. The versatility downstairs is what makes this home so rare. You have a downstairs bedroom right next to a 3/4 bath, and then you actually have this bonus room here that would be perfect for that home gym, the home office, or it could even be that 6th bedroom. Head upstairs and the footprint just keeps expanding with this massive wide open loft, but the primary suite, that's where you go to recharge. A stunning spa-like bath with a large Roman-soaking tub, separate glass shower, and a massive walk-in closet bringing in tons of light through its own double windows. Here's what makes this house work even harder for you behind the scenes. A robust, fully integrative solar system backed by dual batteries. True energy independence. Step out back and you have your very own, completely dialed in, professionally landscaped retreat. Custom concrete and curbing, thriving fruit trees, raised garden beds, a unique stone fountain for bird lovers, and oh yeah, there's even mini golf around the corner. We're right here in Menifee, within walking distance to MSJC and minutes from all your major shopping, dining, and easy freeway access, keeping you perfectly connected to everything you need. Now this is Menifee living without a single compromise. Incredible space, ultimate flexibility, and truly turnkey.